Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. What the best cooking around here? Delicious Delight. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. Come along, everyone.
Welcome back, guys. Here I have two lovely snapper fish. They're very huge. So we're going to be frying some fish today. Okay, I already washed them with lime and vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the fish.
Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Boat yard style and international. Share up the video,
okay, so I went ahead and I removed the head of the fish because I'm not going to be frying the head. I'm going to save this to make some fish tea. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the bone from the fish. Okay. Bone from the fish. Okay, so after removing the bone, I'm gonna make several slices on the fish. Okay, so first I'm gonna slice it down like this. Then I'm gonna slice it like this. Okay. So this is what it looks like after slicing it. Okay, here are the seasonings that I'm going to be using to season my fish, and you can use seasoning of your choice. Okay, so I'm just using some garlic powder, lemon pepper, thyme, ground ginger, tajin, black pepper, and salt. Make sure you get the seasoning in between the slices on the fish. Then you flip it over and season on the other side. So here I have some seasoned flour, and you can add whatever seasoning you like in your flour. Okay. This is my egg wash. Okay, so now that I got everything set up, first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to dip the fish in the flour from the flour to the egg and then back in the flour. I'll give it a little shake to get off excessive amount of flour. And it goes in the egg. Shake off excessive amount of flour. Alright, so this one is floured. So I'm going to put it over here on this plate. Okay guys, so I finished floured the fish. So I'm going to head over to the stove. Come along with me. And here I'm pouring oil in my pot to fry the fish. And I will be using annatto oil. So to my oil, I will be adding some pimento spice. Okay guys, so the oil is ready. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put the fish in the oil. And I'm going to drop some sliced pepper in my oil as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the fish over on the other side. Beautiful, guys. So here I have one bami, guys, and I use my cookie cutter to get these nice little cute shapes out of the bami. Alright, that's a star. I have a little heart there. Yes, so I'm going to fry these bami so I can enjoy it with my fish. Here you have it, guys. Nicely fried snapper with some bami. Please like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time, subscribe to the channel. Touch my post notification bell so you won't miss out on my next upload. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thank you all for your support. Be good. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Bye guys.